Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am happy to have you here. And today's video is from Target, and this is their box that they offer on a monthly basis. It is not a subscription service where you sign up and it automatically bills and you receive it. You have to go onto their website, usually the first Monday of every month, and order their box, and they ship it to your home. Usually takes a few days up to a week. Sometimes, you know, at Christmas time it took a little bit longer, but they're usually pretty good with their shipping. And this box is $7 a month, and some months they offer several boxes. This month they just had one, and this box, the theme is March into Spring, and you always get this little card. And then it tells you the 6 products that are inside your box. And then this month you have to scan the barcode for your $3 coupon, which is fine. And tissue's a little wet, so there must have been a product that leaked. Usually they are very good with taping the tops, and you can see some of them are taped. This one was taped. I just took off the top. And this product is from Bliss. And I don't know why none of this is going to focus today. And this is their Gentle Foaming Cleanser for sensitive skin. And this is Rose Gold Rescue. And that's a nice little sample size. And let's just see. This has rose water extracts. Acts as a natural astringent. Gently removes excess oil and grime, while Rose Gold Shimmer gives skin a subtle glow. So that's a nice product to get. We get these quite often in this box, which is fine because they are a good size. So I will show you them both together. And you can see that they usually do tape. And this is from Lovebeauty&planet. And this is their argan oil and lavender, and this is shampoo and conditioner, and it's 3 fluid ounces, so I believe this is TSA approved. If you need, you know, if you're going somewhere traveling by air, and you can take those along, and you could definitely, you know, get quite a bit of time on those while away. It says, rich blend of golden argan oil and French lavender leave locks smelling fresh and help keep strands frizz-free. So that's always nice. And I love when they give you the shampoo and the conditioner together versus, you know, one or the other. So that's nice. And then I'll show you the next thing that's on the card. And this is from Tresemme. And this is the Botanic Nourish and Replenish Mask. And this is botanical blend of pomegranate and chamomile oil gives strands a surge of intense hydration, leaving locks soft. And this is results in one use. I would think you could, because this is pretty full. This is 1.5 ounces, and this is pretty packed. I mean, you might be able to get more than one. I mean, I have shoulder length hair. I can't imagine using all of that. And this is sulfate free, so that's nice. I would assume I could probably get at least 2 uses out of that, which is good. And then the next thing is, I think it's this one. And I think this is the one that leaked because this bottle feels a little sticky because this was not taped. And this is from Shea Moisture. And this is their matcha green tea and probiotic soothing toner and hydrating mist. It has antioxidants, and matcha green tea help hydrate and soothe redness, while nourishing probiotics restore balance to the skin to fight future flare-ups. So that's a nice soothing toner and hydrating mist. And this is 2 fluid ounces. So, I mean, that's a nice product to get also. And we'll put this in there. And then the last item, which is also from Shea Moisture, and it comes nice bottle, nice pump. And this is the silicone-free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. And this one says, innovative blend of sugarcane and nourishing botanicals leave tresses tangle-free, so strands are manageable and luxurious. And this is good for all hair types, as it says. And this is 3.4 fluid ounces. So, and then it does, you know, give you all the, it's probably going to blur because it's small. But I like, it's a nice, it's a thicker, yeah, inside it's a thicker consistency, you know, white, like a white, you know, creamy thing. But I like that it has a pump on it, so I'm not mad about that at all. So they are the 6 products that are in the March 2019 March into Spring box from Target. And that is the video for today. Remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And I just wanted to give you guys a little reminder that I still have my 500 subscriber giveaway going on. I will link that video in the description box if you guys want to check that out and enter that. I think I'm about 425, 428, something like that on subscribers. So once I hit 500, I will be picking the winner for that. So go ahead and enter. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.